After decades of careful research, what does modern neuroscience actually know about sexual orientation? One of the clearest lessons is that attraction is not the product of a single switch. It isn't controlled by one gene, one hormone, or one tiny region of the brain. Instead, sexual attraction emerges from a large, interacting biological network, an orchestra rather than a soloist. Genes set a broad score, prenatal hormones tune parts of the orchestra, immune processes can nudge certain instruments, and the developing brain wires those parts into circuits. On top of this biological foundation, life experience, relationships, and social context continue to shape how attraction is expressed. Another important discovery is that the brain appears to develop partially separate systems for attraction and for aversion. In other words, the neural machinery that draws attention and desire towards some people is at least partly distinct from the systems that direct avoidance or indifference toward others. At the same time, biology is not destiny. The brain remains plastic across the lifespan. Learning, memorable relationships, and changing social roles can reshape neural networks. Identity can feel stable and deeply rooted for many people. Yet it can also be dynamic for others. What's perhaps most striking is how each new study reveals more complexity and diversity. That variability is not a flaw of science. It's a reflection of human complexity. If there's a single takeaway, it's this. Understanding attraction teaches us about the sophistication of the human brain and the limits of tidy explanations.